Nanjing. It's just above zero. We had lovely snow last night, as you can see on the ground. Now, so far in this series this year, we've been bringing you loads of stuff from the present and the past and all this amazing stuff in China. Plenty of Jingxi, but on Open China today, we get to do something I've been wanting to do all year. Check this out. Can you tell what this is? Look at that. This is the future of China. The future of sports as well. You see what I mean? Behind me, all down this tent, are teams from all over the world. We've got teams from Korea, from the UK, we've got teams from all over Asia as well. And now everyone's getting all their stuff together, everyone's probably looking for last minute batteries and bits and pieces, and everyone's running back and forth like crazy, nervous, probably ready to get on the racetrack and race. It's a bit like the pits at a Formula 1 racetrack. It's so tiny. Where's the camera? Where's the camera? There's the camera. You're a professional team maker. Yeah. Nice. Every team needs a pro team maker as well. No matter whether the technology's old or new, you need the team. So, is this your first big event then, or? Yeah. Yeah? Okay, cool. So, good luck today, guys. I'll come and see how you're getting on later on. And
yesterday we had an open race.
Yeah.
The champion was 13 seconds.
13 seconds.
Yeah.
13 seconds.
Like today,
yeah,
the pilots are even better, so I'm expecting better results.
Yesterday was the open race, right? And then today is the pros.
Race. Yeah, the pros.
The pros.
Right.
Nice. These are all these little these are inflatable, nice and soft inflatables. So if the drones fly into them, they don't get smashed. Otherwise, it would be a lot more of an expensive sport. And here's something really cool. Look, if you're a pilot, you have to sit in this box. This is where our young heroes will all be sitting. Hey, you've lost an eye, buddy. There we go. Nice.
What's up, guys, in Texas? I'm here representing Texas in the USA for you guys on Team KD Ray. So we're going to show the world how fast the USA is.
所有非洲请注意，请留意起飞信号。All pilot attention. Wait for takeoff signal.
Through the control unit right now. Drones are flying around all the time. Can you see that? How'd that go?
But it's a really tight race like that, and you're racing straight to the finish line. It's awesome. Because, you know, if other people crash out and you win, it's great. You get to win, right?
Yep.
But when you have a close race like that, where everything is on the line until the final moment, and, you know, it still gives me goosebumps to think about it.
Oh wait, just before we begin, something's gonna happen here. There's a lot of electrics up there. Hey guys, so right behind me here, the boys that did their job so well today get their prizes from all over the world, backed by Chinese technology. It's been a thrill to come out here to Nanjing on New Year's Eve, share it with you guys, share Open China with you. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe. If I shout, I'm going to get in trouble. It's all gone really quiet. I'm sure it won't be for long. We'll see you next time on Open China. Oh yeah, keep it open.